Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Gbenga Adetitun is my name. Gbenga Adetitun is my name. I want to talk to you this time about the use of mnemonics in studying. The use of mnemonics in studying. Mnemonics is spelled M-N-O-N-M-E, M for mango, N for now, E for egg, M for mango again, O for orange, mnemonic, N for new again, I for ink, and then C for car. The use of mnemonics to aid learning and studying. The use of mnemonic as a tool for proper studying and proper retention of what have been learned. The use of mnemonics, plural, we put S, singular without the S. Now, mnemonics are combination of abbreviations or anything that you use, any word, combination of words or sentences that you use to be able to aid your memory, to be able to recall something. Mnemonic is a combination. It can be words, it can be anything, but that thing that is called mnemonics, you must be able to remember it fast. So when you remember the mnemonic fast, it will not help you to actually know and to recall what you have been taught in the school. Take for example, in biology, the major elements, or in Greek, the major elements needed for plant growth are many. So to remember them, sometimes one may mix the major with the minor. So to remember, to differentiate them, we use the mnemonic Port-Mag-Cal-Phonishu. Port-Mag-Cal-Phonishu. Port for potassium. Port-Mag-Cal-Phonishu. Here is it here. Hope you can see it. It's a bit clear. Port-Mag-Cal-Phonishu. This is an example of a mnemonic for the major elements. For the major element needed for plant growth. The port there stands for potassium. The mag stands for magnesium. The cal stands for calcium. The pho stands for phosphorus. The ni stands for nitrogen. The su stands for, because it's SU, stands for sulfur. Of course, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are also needed in large quantities by plants, so they are also major elements. So this is a good example of mnemonic that is used. So instead of trying to remember potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, just note that the constituent of carbohydrates, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are major elements. Then Port-Mag-Cal-Phonishu are also major elements. When you write that, port, potassium, mag, magnesium, cal, calcium, pho, phosphorus, ni, nitrogen, shu, sulfur. This is a mnemonic to recall or to remember the major element. What about the minor elements needed by plants for their proper growth and development? This, we have also used another mnemonic called Kopbomanzi. Kopbomanzi. Kop for copper, Bo for boron, Man for manganese, Z for zinc. And these are about 4 or 5. The other few ones, you just have to add them up. You can form, so these are mnemonic that you can use for yourself. but you can also form your own mnemonic by yourself. So for the minor elements, these are the mnemonic I've used for the minor elements. These are the mnemonics. Kobomanzi. Now, there's another mnemonic that I use in biology. The 5 bones of the vertebral column. And further saying, this question comes out in biology exam in WAEC. This one, even these major elements and minor elements, it comes out in WAEC every year. The one I want to talk about now, the 5 bones of the vertebral column and their number in man. The bones of the vertebral column in man differs from the bones of the vertebral column in other mammals. Differ from the number of vertebral column in dog. Differ from that in goat. In man, the bones of the vertebral column are cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal. And they must be arranged that way. And their number in man, as mentioned, is 7. Cervical is 7 in man. The thorax is 12 in man. The lumbar is 5 in man. The sacral is 5 in man. The caudal is 4 in man. Now, if you don't have any mnemonic, I'm remembering them now because I have mnemonic for them. If you don't have any mnemonic to use, it will be difficult to remember them. The mnemonic I use for the 5 bones of the vertebral column in man and their numbers in man is 7 Satolusaka. 712 554. So you have Sa for cervical, To for thoracic, Satolu Lu for lumbar, Satolusaka. Then 712 554. Satolusaka 712 554. This is it. I've written it out here. Satolusaka 712 554. Satolusaka 712 554. Sa for cervical, To for thoracic, Lu for lumbar, Sa for sacral, Ka for caudal. And cervical is 7, thorax is 12, lumbar is 5, sacral is 5, caudal is 4. That is Satolusaka 712 554. For the planets, the planets are 9. There's a mnemonic for the planets because the planets are arranged. They have arrangement. After the sun, we have Mercury. After Mercury, we have Venus. After Venus, we have Earth. After Earth, we have Mars. After Mars, we have Jupiter. After Jupiter, we have Neptune. After Neptune, we have Pluto. You are wondering, I'm not looking at it for any material. It's in my memory. Why? Because of mnemonic. The mnemonic we use for that is my very excellent Mary. Just sit under new plant. My very excellent Mary. Just sit under new plant. My for Mercury. Very for Venus. Excellent, E for Earth. Mary for Mars. My very excellent Mary. Just, J, that just is for Jupiter. Sit, just sit, is for Saturn. Under has its own name, has its own meaning. Think Uranus. Just sit under. New, Neptune. Plant, Pluto. My very excellent Mary. Just sit under new plant. That is the arrangement of the planets. Mercury is the closest to the sun, followed on and on. Jupiter is the largest, And that's why they use the word there's no Jupiter. There's no Jupiter because Jupiter is the largest. The smallest is also there, so you can know all that. They can ask, what is the fifth planet from the sun? My very excellent Mary, just, so it's Jupiter. It's Jupiter. Now, in chemistry, the first 20 elements, by the time students get to SS1, they have to learn it. So, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Then sodium, on and on, up to 20. And you retain a lot. You retain by reciting. I've said that in one of my videos on SQ3R. Instead, you learn that hydrogen, helium, you learn that up to 20. Then there's a mnemonic also for it. It's a song. Hello, hello, let better boys come near Olu for news. So, mommy, all silo puppies should come and play cards. Hello, hello, let better boys come near Olu for news. So, mommy, all silly puppies should come and play cards. What is cards? Calcium, that's 20. What is play? Potassium, phosphorus, there's potassium, that's 19. Should come and, what is and? The A, argon. Hello, hello, let better boys come near Olu for news. Hello, hello, let better boys come near Olu for news. So, mommy, all silly puppies should come and play cards. Hello, hello, hydrogen, helium. Let better boys. Lithium, beryllium, boron. Come, carbon. Near, nitrogen. Olu, oxygen. For, fluorine. News, sodium. Because sodium is Na. It's also called natrium in the original language. And I say, so mommy, all silly puppies should come and play cards. Mommy, magnesium. And on and on. That is an example of a mnemonic. You can use a mnemonic. There are common mnemonics available, but you also can make your own mnemonic. You can form your own mnemonic by yourself because you are the one learning. So you can form your own mnemonic in the process of learning. Learning is real business, but the moment you get to know the business, you are in for the life of studying. You are in for a good life in studying and understanding. So you can form your own mnemonic. I don't know what you are studying and you want to form mnemonic for. You can form mnemonic in anything. I have formed series of mnemonics. Some of these things I've just said now, one or two of them are my mnemonics. Satu Lusaka, 72554. If you don't form mnemonic, there's no how you will recall and remember it. There must be something that is a mnemonic, that is a point that you hook up to, that you grab, and that you understand. So form mnemonic today. It's going to help you to remember a lot of things for your exam. See you in my next YouTube video. Please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and after subscribing you see a bell beside the subscription button. After you are subscribed, click that bell, and if you have already subscribed but you didn't click the bell, you can still click the bell now. That is what we call the notification button, so that in my next YouTube video you will get to know when the video is uploaded. I will see you some other time. Take out time to learn these mnemonics. They are going to help you to really study very well. If you know students that are not watching this video, send it to them. Let them take part in this. And if you know students, whether any level of students or even adults that are interested in success, please let them know about this YouTube video. That is how you can be able to help. Anybody that you refer to this video, you are helping the individual. And when the person gets the wisdom and the knowledge and the success, the person is not going to forget you. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.